Multiply 27.8 by 9.6 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Put 8 in this column and carry 4. 6 times 7 plus the carried 4 is 46. Put 6 in this column and carry 4. 6 times 2 plus the carried 4 is 16. The first partial product is 1668. Now use the next digit to the left, 9. Start one place to the left. 9 times 8 is 72. Put 2 in this column and carry 7. 9 times 7 plus the carried 7 is 70. Put 0 in this column and carry 7. 9 times 2 plus the carried 7 is 25. The second partial product is 25,020. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the tens column, 6 plus 2 is 8. In the hundreds column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the thousands column, 1 plus 5 is 6. In the 10,000s column, bring down 2. The product of the whole numbers is 26,688. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 26,688 becomes 266.88. So 27.8 times 9.6 is 266.88.